In today's video, I am going to teach you how to change call to action text, something like subscribe now in Brevo. To begin, you will open your Brevo account and go to the area where your forms are managed. In the app, look for the menu labeled Marketing. This is where Brevo groups tools related to forms, campaigns, and customer engagement. When you find it, go ahead and click Marketing so you can access the Forms section. Once you are in the Marketing menu, you will select Forms. This step matters because the call to action text you want to change is tied directly to a specific form and its Submit button. When you click Forms, you should see a list of forms that you have created or that you have access to. Take a moment to locate the exact form you want to update, because you will only be changing the text for the form you select. Now that you have found the correct form in the list, click the Edit button on the form you want to update. This is the point where the form editor opens, letting you adjust elements inside the form. You should now be viewing the form editor screen, where you can modify the submit experience that people see when they finish filling out the form. Next, inside the form editor, you will click the Submit button within the form editor. This step is important because the settings for the call to action text live under the Submit button block. When you click the Submit button, the editor should switch focus to that specific section, and you should see a related settings panel appear. After selecting the Submit button, look over to the Block Settings sidebar. This sidebar is where Brevo exposes configuration options for the selected block, which is the Submit button in this case. Find the field called Button Text in the Block Settings sidebar. This is the exact setting that controls the text displayed on the button. Once you locate the Button Text field, you will enter the new wording you want to appear to users. In this tutorial, you will type Subscribe Now into the field. Make sure you enter it with the same capitalization and spelling as you intend, because this will be the text customers will read right on the Submit button. When the new button text is entered, you will be ready to apply the change. Click Done or Save depending on which option is shown in your editor. Taking this final action ensures your update is stored and that the form will display the new call to action text when someone submits the form. To finish up, give yourself a quick moment to confirm that the editor saved correctly. If the form editor provides a confirmation or updates the preview, you can glance at the Submit button to see that it now shows Subscribe Now. That small check helps you avoid situations where changes were typed but not applied. And that covers everything you need to know, and that is all there is to it.